Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's vlog, we're here at the cruise going to Sweden. It's my first time. It's our first time and I'm so excited. We're here inside our cabin! Andun sila busy and I'm gonna show you guys what's inside the cabin. Just stay tuned. So now guys, pupunta kami doon, kakain kami sa isang room which is the food is there. Tapos naglalayag na yung barko. See?
Pupunta, kakain na kami dyan.
Maandar na yung barko guys. So I'm so excited kung anong meron sa labas. So lalabas kami and just stay tuned.
No niin kilpailuhenkisiä, ettei mitään rajaa. Mutta siinä kävi sillä tavalla, että kun lunta pyrytti aivan sour cream.
Hey guys, so we went to the bar and sobrang saya. We enjoy it. First time na mag-cruise tapos mag-disco. Sobrang ganda. Ang saya-saya. Diba? So tomorrow it's gonna be a new day. So ipapakita ko sa inyo what's gonna be happening here tomorrow. So as of now, we're going to sleep and ciao ciao. Morning guys! So as of now, actually when I woke up, we're there, we stopped. I think we're in Sweden right now. But as of the moment, we're naglalayag kami ulit. Charis. Look at that. But I'm not sure really where we are at the moment. But the cruise is now moving, going to somewhere. I think we're going back to Helsinki, Turku. So nagpapaganda tayo kasi lalabas tayo, mag-picture tayo doon because we cannot, go down from the cruise. So tiis next time ulit, charis. So just stay tuned guys. Have a nice day. Let's go, dumi ng bintana. Hindi ako dito sa kanila. guys, so we're having a breakfast now by the sea. Charis. So it's 11 a.m. here now, guys. We're still at cruise. We're cruising, yes. Naglalayag tayo sa mga oras na to. Actually, we're here at the cross because one of the friend of my employer is having a contest, a singing contest. And then we support her, and yeah, that's why we're here. And we're enjoying here so much, guys. I really love it here. And yeah, as of now, I am at my deck, or I am at our cabin. Gonna show you. Ayan, so gubot-gubot kaayo. We're four in the room, and that's our view. That's the dagat where we are cruising right now. I'm so excited to, witness the singing contest, kasi I think they are 50 contestants, and I'm so excited. So let's hope na manalo siya. Diba? But my experience so far here, I love it so much, especially the bar, the club at night. Oh my god, that's very amazing. Just stay tuned for more, guys. You're gonna fly away, glad you're going my way. I love it when we're cruising together. Music is played for love, cruising is made for love. I love it when we're cruising together.